Hello everyone and welcome. This is December 11th, 2010. We are in Woodbury, Minnesota at our home and we want to show you what we've woken up to this morning. We're getting ready for Christmas, so come on in. As you look out through our dining room windows, you see a blizzard that we are engulfed in. It's been quite a fun day. We all would just love it if you came to visit us. No one's been out. The roads are pretty much at an impasse. It's been great for Christmas decorating. Come on through the kitchen.
Okay.
Nothing like a little hot chicken wild rice soup, Minnesota grown rice. As you notice, the nutcrackers are all out. We've had fun getting ready for Christmas this year, haven't we, Heidi? Heidi hasn't budged from the fire today. She refuses to go outside. We've had a lot of fun looking at the little birdies today. As you see, we have one of the only functioning bird feeders in probably the whole neighborhood. And it's been a lively spot for many chickadees and native to Minnesota. Kind of looks like a little Santa globe that we shake at Christmas time. Now let's go ahead and see the real deal. Come on. Come on out. This is how we really get ready for the winter in Minnesota. Got your gloves on, Dave?
Uh-huh.
Here's our treetop. Kind of a Minnesota thing. Not many people in Michigan do this kind of thing. Minnesotan doesn't even wear a hat. Maybe we should go interview our neighbor.
Oh, let's not.
So as you see, we're in for a splendid evening.